All right, welcome to the next lesson in Arduino microcontroller. So last time we worked on creating a push button, and we found that if we hold that button down, that's the only way we can keep the light on. And that's not a very smart light switch. Let's just be honest here. We can do a lot cooler things, like let's press the button and it keeps it on, press it again, turns it off, like a regular switch. So to code that, we need to open up our original push button LED sketch. Now mine is from here. You might have titled it. If you did, awesome. If not, you're going to want to be looking for something like this. Also, why it's very, very important that we label up here for future reference. All right. So in this case, I'm going to do push button LED, and I'm just going to call it -stay on. Now I see that I have my constant integer. I'm still working in 13 and 7, and all of that works great. However, let's go ahead and do a few changes. First, let's get rid of our void loop here. Let's get rid of everything in there. So we're going to add new stuff. And then under integer value equals 0, or is 0, I should say, we're going to create a new integer and call it integer state is 0. Right? So now we're creating a new integer here called state, and we're going to be learning how to read that state. All right, we can keep our void set up the same here. This is where we need to start working, which is the void loop. And in this case, we're going to type val is digital read, just like last time. Digital read button. And then it's going to compare itself to a few things. Right? So first we need to type in if start parentheses, kind of like the same way, if val equals high, then we need to add curly bracket, hit enter to go down to our next line. We're going to create an equation, a real equation here. Math problem, basically, the Arduino has to figure out. And we're going to say state, make sure you're matching your integer. I almost made a mistake there. So state is 1 minus state. And basically what we're saying here is if it is on, right, then it's reading state, which is supposed to be set to 0, is 1 minus state, or 1 minus 0. Because this is going to change as we push the button, as you'll see in just a second. Right? Line 20, we're good there. Let's just make sure these match up. We'll go down to line 21. I'm going to hit enter just to make it a little easier for you to see. I'm going to type in if, start parentheses, state is equal to 1, in parentheses, start curly bracket, enter. Then it's going to be digital write. LED, high, semicolon. Don't forget your semicolons, by the way. Oh, where are we at now? So digital read high. Oh, perfect. Go back here. Sorry, we shouldn't have hit enter after the high. Then we go line 24 in my case after the curly bracket here. Line 24 is matching up here. We're going to type else, much like last time. Else, start curly bracket, enter. We'll do digital write, start parentheses, LED, low, in parentheses, semicolon. Now we need to make sure our curly brackets are matching up. So I have one here on 26 is matching up with 24, 27 is matching up with 16. I have another 24 matching up with 22. Perfect. These all match up. Now this is determining this equation right here, right? So we're saying that if our state is equal to 1, which means that it is on, okay, so state equal to 1, LED high, it's on. Else, digital read, LED low, meaning that the state is either 1 minus 0 to turn off, or it's reading it as on, and it's going to keep it on. 1 is equal to 1. On, sorry. Right, if you have any questions on that, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below. If you're in Google Classroom, you can drop them in the comments in Classroom. Or if you're in class, just go ahead and raise that hand, and I can try and answer your question. there. All right, thanks for watching.